Hello, it's Andrew Undum, Sure Group of Berkshire Hathaway. Today we're at 74 Norman Avenue, and we have 12 homes just like this coming up in Aberdeen. So we want to give you a quick tour of the level of finish and quality you can expect in some of these renovations. We have a very reputable builder who's building these homes. And again, the floor plans are similar. So this one sold in one day for over asking price, but that's okay because like I said, we have more than 10 more. Everything is done to the nines. The trim, the paint, the windows, the roof, all mechanicals, HVAC, plumbing, roof. It's all brand new. What this gentleman does is he buys a home, knocks it down into the foundation and builds up brand new. And you can tell if you look at the pictures of 74 Norman Avenue or you're watching this video, everything's really high end. From stainless steel appliances, herringbone backsplash, white cabinets, cabinet hardware. You know, most builders don't put this stuff on. They make the owner do it later. You got like touchless faucets, really high-end stuff throughout. And the floor plans are fantastic. Follow me into the back. So wide open family room, awesome kitchen, 3 beds and 2 baths on these units. 3 large beds, 2 full baths, and just take a look at the bathroom. They clearly don't suck. Large bedrooms. Let's take you to the primary. Full laundry room. Everything's brand new. Every room has a ceiling fan. Closets in every room. An ensuite in every one of these units. Brand new sidewalks, driveways, and stamped pads out back. If you're looking for a place in Aberdeen, contact me, Andrew Undum. We have 12 more coming up in the low 300s. We'd love to show you what's available and help you beat this crazy market.